Heidi ho, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do another 50p and different coats of arms. So first of all, let's punch a hole in it. 1/2 inch punch, as usual. How's everybody doing today? Good, I hope. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for subscribing. If you're new to the channel, there's a little button down here, little red button. Press that, you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. This is Big Bertha, my 20-ton hydraulic press. Sounds like my girlfriend opening a wallet there, doesn't it? Right, there you go. Right, that's good. Yeah, if you're looking for a custom ring, or you can check out my web shop, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings there are at EU sites, but you can also send me your own coins if you want, which quite a few people are doing at the moment. And I'll make you a ring. This is Chris deburr, my deburring tool. You just want to clean up that edge where you punch through. This is a bit rough and ready. You just want to make sure there's no cracks there or splits forming. Otherwise that's going to cause your ring to split when you start playing with it. Okay, that's looking good, I think. Yeah, that's good. Right, now you want to give it Bernie, fire starter. Give it some love. Warm it up a bit. This is called annealing. It just softens up the metal so I can work it easier. If you've got a certain 50p you'd like me to make, I've got quite a few different 50p's, so put it down in the comments, or you can email me at yourfingermyring@proton.me. Yeah, I've got quite a good selection of 50p's at the moment. I've got a lot of different ones. Peter Rabbit and all them sort of ones. And this costs a bit more than 28 euros, but then again, the 50p's are quite expensive. And postage and stuff like that. Right. This is going to be sunny side up on the ring. So you want that to go face down in our 17-degree die. It's a bit tight there. I'll have to start on this one. The first little fold. Right, let's go for the big red. That's what he thinks about it. Rubbish. Now it should fit. Like I've been saying, there's no exact science for this. If it fits, it works. Just like that. Just like that. Any of you guys remember Tommy Cooper? Probably not. Right. When I lived in Essex, so did Tommy Cooper. He was a magician that used to cock everything up for the purpose, but it worked, you know. And he used to drink in this pub called the Green Gate. No, not the Green Gate. The Cranbrook. It was on Cranbrook High Road in Ilford. Well, he was about 6'2", 6'3", really tall guy. Always had this cigar on his gob. Nice guy though. No one used to bother him, you know. I think he was a bit of a loner as well, but nice guy. That's when you had to be 18 to go in a bar in England. Of course, 16, 17 you could manage to get in sometimes. Right, let's get it on spike. Our favourite tool, well mine anyway. There you go. Right, let's just protects the inside of the coin. On my monitor, on the camera, I've got a padlock in a circle and a sun with a line going through it. I don't know what that means. I don't know if I've hit a button or something. I shouldn't have done. But I'm sure my girlfriend would tell me. There you go. Why isn't it focusing? Oh, it's probably that button I pressed. Yeah, I probably hit a button or something. Unbelievable. I just hit it and now it's gone. So there you go. 150p. Now you want to give it a bit more love again. That's good. Now we want to go to the bottom end of spike and see what's going on there. These are reduction dies. This is what makes the ring smaller. Spike makes them bigger, the bottom end makes them smaller. Gotta make sure it's nice and square. There you go. Nice straight walls. So let's break out Kate Bush. She's not looking too bad. I love these 50p rings, they look like crowns and they're really popular. I sell quite a few of these on the market, Helsinki market. As for sizes, all I need from you is your ring size. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings in now in EU size, but I can adjust them up or down for you. Well, that's where we are so far. So you've got all the detail on the inside of the ring. Let's do them flutes. Right, let's get a bit of polish on it. And give it a wipe over. My girlfriend finishes these off after the video because my hands are still covered in oil and polish and God knows what. She does a final inspection. She's an engineer on a building site. And she wears the white hat. She's a foreman and that sort of thing. I think sometimes she thinks she's got the hat on when she's with me. You know, she thinks she's a foreman with me. So, I suppose she's in a way. She cleans these up after I've been playing with them. 50 pence. Text is all in there. That's why I use the kitchen towel. And on this one, it looks like a lip, but it's not as smooth as a baby's bottom. So let's whack in Felton John. And let's give the outside a bit of a whiz round, shall we? Because these come up quite nice. Alright, what do we got? What do we got? There you go. Got the heart there. Beautiful, eh? Right, what size we got? We have got a size. These 50p's are smaller than the other ones. This is a 63. So if you're looking for a unique ring, I call these coin rings, look no further. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll catch you tomorrow with a bit of luck if everything goes well. Toodaloo. Tubby bye bye.